Alright guys, I have arrived. Let me show you how many mosquitoes are stuck in the net. You cannot really see it. It looks like a fur, very soft. Alright, let's check how is it inside. Degrees. So the Asics are all working except for the mining rigs. Both of them are switched off. Okay, so I'm gonna place one of my helium hotspots over here with an antenna attached to that end of the roof. The antenna is pretty long. I will show it to you in my next video because I thought that the length of the cable which is included with the antenna would be enough, but unfortunately it's not. So I'm going to probably change the cables with the one in my apartment because it's like almost 5 meters long. And I'm gonna bring it here, and the 1 meter cable which was included in the new antenna, I'm gonna leave it in my apartment. I actually decided to attach it to the window from the inside with the stock antenna, and I will leave it for like a few days, and then when I will come back, well, at least it will mine something, hopefully, rather than if it will just sit in the trunk of my car.